Frustrated with XML conversion tools that mess up your data with missing elements, lost attributes, or bloated tables full of nulls? You are in the right place. I'm Isabel, and in this video, I'll show you how to easily convert XML to CSV and TSV using Flexter Online, a free and powerful XML conversion tool. Here's what we will cover. First, I walk you through how to convert XML to CSV and TSV using Flexter Online. I'll then show you how to use the output and documentation to make the most of your data. Many tools make XML conversion a headache, but Flexter Online simplifies the process with automated schema generation, intelligent XML to CSV mapping, and AI-optimized data structuring, so you don't end up with a messy, redundant table. Now, let's jump in and see how it works. First, go to sonra.io XML to CSV converter, and scroll down to find the purple widget. This is where you start. The workflow has 4 steps, and Flexter Online shows your progress at the top. Let's start with step 1, uploading your XML file. You can either click Upload a file or simply drag and drop your XML from your desktop. I'll go with drag and drop. Once uploaded, the file name appears right here. Made a mistake? No worries. Just remove it by clicking this button and upload again. Upload an XSD file. Optional, but useful. It defines XML structure for better accuracy. No XSD? No problem. Flexter handles it automatically. More details? Check our blog. Next, enter your email. This is where we'll send your converted files. Company name and phone? Optional, but if you feel like sharing, go ahead. Hit convert and check your inbox in seconds. Not there? Check spam. Click the link and your files are ready. Download the zipped folder, unzip it, and open your CSV or TSV in Excel. Need a data map? Flexter provides STM maps and ER diagrams to visualize everything. If your conversion fails, we'll reach out in 1 to 2 days, or you can contact us, contact form, email, or chat. Just fill in your name, email, and message, then hit send. Need faster processing, larger data volumes, and database conversions? Flexter Enterprise removes all limits. With Flexter Enterprise, scaling is easy, and your team can finally focus on high-impact tasks instead of drowning in data conversions. So why wait? Book a demo now and see Flexter Enterprise in action.